Women's health tips and tricks. Get regular Pap smears. Making an appointment with a gynecologist for routine Pap smears is necessary. This test checks for pelvic problems such as cervical cancer. If anything abnormal is found, it can be treated in its earliest stages. Failing to get a Pap smear could have deadly consequences if cancer is left unnoticed. There is no reason to put off this quick test. It only takes 10 to 20 minutes. Get tested for sexually transmitted diseases. STD testing on a regular basis is essential for women who are sexually active. Some STDs can cause serious health issues, so this is a risk you cannot ignore. Do not think that you are STD-free due to a lack of symptoms. Some viruses can lay dormant and are only caught with testing. Ask your doctor for an STD test at your next visit. Get proper prenatal care. Every woman needs to sign up for proper prenatal care. This is the only way for them to ensure that everything is going well with your pregnancy. Care can include testing and taking certain vitamins. According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, babies who did not receive prenatal care is 5 times more likely than those whose mothers received care. Get help for menopause. It is essential for every woman to seek menopause treatment as soon as they become perimenopausal. There are a few menopausal treatments that can help women who is experiencing menopausal symptoms like hot flashes, insomnia, anxiety, irritability, mood swings, and depression. There are hormonal and non-hormonal treatment options to fit every woman's lifestyle. Painful periods. For many women, getting your period is an unpleasant time. Cramps, breast soreness and headaches are just a few of the most common menstruation symptoms. But for some women, period pain goes beyond cramps and can be incredibly severe. It can be a sign of endometriosis or uterine fibroids. It's important to speak with your doctor about this, as there are many solutions that can make these conditions more manageable. Sexual discomfort. Many women experience vaginal dryness during intercourse. Dryness can often be dependent on a woman's age and mitigating factors in her life. If a younger woman has this issue and has been on birth control for a long time, she may not be taking enough time to engage in foreplay and arousal before sex, leading to dryness. If a woman is postmenopausal and has dryness, it can be due to low estrogen, and her gynecologist can prescribe vaginal estrogen.